gonna see some legit pollution. I just tricked that sensor so hard. Hello, hi everyone. Today we have the Morento Air Purifier. This is the HY4866 model. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside, and we'll give you a review on what we think about this air purifier. So in the box we've got the Morento Air Purifier, we've got a power cable, and of course we've got some paperwork. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in and see how it runs. So first we have to take off these little security pieces of tape here, and then we have to install the filters. You can see it's really easy to unlatch one of these, and even to reinstall them, you just line them up at the joints and pops right back into place. Here on the side, on each side, there's little notches. You put your fingers in them and it pops right off. No struggle whatsoever. It's very easy to do. Looks like we have one solid filter. It's a HEPA filter, and it is designed specifically for the HY4866. So you'll have to order these unique filters on Amazon. And I think there's one on each side. Let me go ahead and flip it over and we'll take a look. This is the back side. Here we have the PM25 sensor and of course a handle to be able to move the device itself. And it looks like there is another filter back here. Two filters for double the filtration and twice as much airflow. So now we are going to move to a bit of a quieter space, because right now you can hear my refrigerator in the background over there. But here is the cable that is going to be used to power this device. On the right hand side there is a power port. You're just going to want to plug into there, and we're ready to go. We just got to plug it in the wall and then get going. So follow me. Now there's 4 different fan levels, and I'm gonna go with fan level for each one. This is fan level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So it does actually get pretty darn loud at level 4. Now what it's doing right now is this is blowing air out from the top of this thing, and it's sucking the air in from the front and from the back of this device. We can switch it to sleep mode. Here it'd wind down, get a bit quieter for if you are using this while you sleep. It's not nearly as loud. It's still winding down actually. There are also modes for timers. Got 2 hour, 5 hour, 8 hour. You can put it on a setting and lock it so that you don't accidentally switch it. And then of course there's the automatic function as well. That will automatically filter the air around you at whatever speed or fan level that it thinks is necessary to filter the air within your home. Now we can see the 3 different levels here. There is excellent air, mild pollution, and heavy pollution. That's the air quality meter. And right now our filter is telling us that we have pretty good quality air in our home, which is good. That's a great positive right there. Now I am going to change this location to a different spot in the home where there's more exposure to the outdoor elements, and we'll see how much that meter changes. So the air quality up here is still really, really good. We've had it running for a couple of minutes now, and it just keeps getting better. So let's go ahead and see if I light a candle, if that'll make a difference on whether or not this will recognize the air pollution, which I think it is recognizing it. Well, oh, there we go. Now we're starting to see some legit pollution. I just tricked that sensor so hard. So as you can see, it quickly recognized that there was smoke in the area and cranked the fan right up. I do have it set on auto, but it's quickly filtering it. And I can even, if we could have smell vision, we could be smelling it in real time and seeing the difference it's making by adjusting to that air pollution inside the air. So filtering it right out. We're coming right down. We're still in the hot, heavy pollution zone. Oh, we just crossed under that. We're back, getting close to mild pollution. We are back under mild pollution. We worked our way all the way back down to excellent air quality. So that is it, folks. That is my review and my unboxing of the Morento Air Purifier. So hopefully this video helps you in your decision making on whether or not you want to get a Morento Air Purifier model HY4886. I made sure to go over some of the main points either in my speaking notes or in the screen slow-mos. Once again, my name is Kili316 with Ohana Reviews. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining us. And as always, mahalo and aloha. Chee!